Hello students. Today's topic is subtraction of algebraic expression. The rule which we are going to follow for subtraction of algebraic expression is that we have to change the sign of the term to be subtracted. This thing we have to keep in mind. Okay children? Now, so keeping this in mind, we will start with the exercise 12F. Question number 1. Okay, I have taken sub number 2. Here the question is 3ab square to be subtracted from 7ab square. So what do? We place the numbers according to the question. So from 7ab square minus 3ab square. So we put this here, we bring the numerals 7 and 3, subtract it, get 4, and we get the answer. Here we are taking another sub number, that is sub number 5. Here we have minus x from x. We have to subtract minus x from x. So what do? We put here x. As we know that if any of the term doesn't have any numerical, then it is considered as 1. So here 1x minus, because it has to be subtracted, okay, and then we bring this negative term here. We put it in the bracket because two signs cannot be put up together. When we multiply these two signs, minus minus becomes plus, then we get this answer. Fine. I have taken then question number 2. Now we come on to question number 2. Sub number 2 I have taken. Here we have an algebraic expression to be subtracted. This algebraic expression is to be subtracted from this. So we write this entire expression first. We put a minus sign because we have to subtract, and then we bring this here. We put this into the bracket so that this the term which has to be the expressions which has to be subtracted, the sign can be changed. So when we put up the sign over here and we have to open the bracket, so what do? We copy this as it is, 5a minus 3b minus 4c. Now we start multiplying the sign, so minus minus becomes plus, so minus 3a. Then minus and plus becomes minus, so minus 1b. Minus and plus becomes minus, so minus 6c. So here you can see the sign has changed. Here minus 3a, earlier it was minus 3a. Here plus b, here is now minus 1b. Here plus 6c, here we have now minus 6c. Now we bring the like terms together. When we bring the like terms together, here we have 5a plus 3a, then 3b and 1b, minus 4c and minus 6c. Please remember that whenever we are placing the terms, it has to be along with their sign. Now 5 plus 3 gives you 8. So we get 8a. Minus 3 minus 1 gives you minus 4. Minus 4 minus 6. Minus minus is plus. So we get 10c. So this is our answer. Now we will discuss some more examples. Here we get to see is, I have taken question number 2c. I'm taking here question number 2f, 4. Okay, so here we have the question like this. Minus 6x, this has to be subtracted from this. So we place the term wherever we don't have any numerical, we put 1. We bring the minus sign because it has to be subtracted, and we bring the term or expression which is to be subtracted. Same thing we follow over here. We put all the entire expression in the bracket and then we start subtracting. So when we open the bracket, the sign changes. Say minus 6x becomes plus 6x, here minus plus 9y, and here 15z. So when minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus. Now we bring, the next step is to bring the like terms together. So both the x and x comes together, y come together, z come together. We operate them according to the rules, following the rules, okay, and we get the answer. In this question number 3, I have taken sub number 4. Here we have a square plus a minus 1. It is to be subtracted from a minus a square. So we write this like this and we get the sign here. So what are we doing it here? We put it minus sign, we put the entire expression in the bracket, we change the sign, so it becomes minus 1a square minus 1a plus 1. So here we get 1a and 1a over here, 1a square and 1a square over here, and plus 1. It is all alone. Fine. So any like terms with negative with opposite signs, like terms with opposite signs gives you 0. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Okay, and here minus 1 becomes minus 2a plus 1. If any of the terms, when they are operated, if you get 0, need not to write them in the answer. So when we write the answer, we skip this and we write only minus 2a square plus 1, like this. Clear, children? Now one more question I have taken from question number 4. Here we have minus 6x cube minus 8x square plus 4x minus 2. This is to be subtracted from this term. So the process remains same. We bring this here, this comes here, we put the minus sign. Second step, we open the bracket by changing the sign of each terms. Then we bring the like terms together, numbers together, with the x terms together. Here these two are like term, these two are like term. After operating, we get these answers. Where here you can see all are unlike terms, so further operations is not possible. So here this is what we write as answer. So this is all for today. I hope you have understood. Thank you.